Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the fifth puzzle in the additional with extra Sudokus in today's newspaper on Monday, July the 27th, 2020. We have here the fifth puzzle, a binary puzzle, and this puzzle will be number 1, 2, 3, 5. And what kind of binary puzzle is this? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 a binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there's always 4 ones and 4 O's. I see here 4 ones, so the rest are O's. So let's get started. Double O, here 1, there 1, double 1, here an O, there an O. 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Then between 2 O's comes an 1, double 1, here an O, there an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1, double O, here 1, there 1, double 1, here an O, there an O, double 1, here an O, there an O. We have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Between 2 1s comes an O, between 2 O's comes an 1. We have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes an 1. We have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1s comes an O. We have 3 1s. If I place the 4th one here, then we have 3 O's in a row, not allowed. One of the rules, so this cannot be a 1, this should be an O, double O, here 1, there 1, double 1, here an O, there an O. 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Then we need to compare, I think. Yeah. This column, the first column, let me compare 1, 1, O, 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 1, 1, empty box, O, O, 1, 1. So I need to switch these two numbers. We have an O here, so this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here an O, there an O. 4 1, so the rest are O's. 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Then do I need to compare? Yes, I need to compare again. Let me see, we have here 3 O's in this row. If I place the O here, the 4th one, then I still have 3 1s. So the O cannot be here. Should be a 1. If I place the O here, then I still have 3 1s in this row. So this cannot be a 1 O. This should be a 1. Double 1 here and O, there and O. Double 1 here and O, there and O. Yes, the first row and the 4th row. Let me compare. 110011 empty box. Empty box 110000. So I need to switch these two numbers. With an O here, this should be a 1. With a 1 here, this should be an O. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two 1's comes an O. Finish in 5 minutes. Oh my. Great Sudoku. Great Sudoku. You like this? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a moment with the last Sudoku, a tectonic one, aka Suguru. So see you later, and bye bye for now.